el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Llegan a Astorga, el de Australia y Nueva Zelanda. Van para Santiago, por el camino de Santiago, va el de Australia.
Our final day on the Camino Francés, and as soon as we left our albergue, the heavens opened up and the rain washed us into the city. It was the most rain we'd seen on the entire journey. The site of the famous piazza and cathedral is indeed welcome, but it's absolutely eclipsed by the sight of a Camino brother. Hey, Alfie.
Hello, son.
We made it!
Yeah.
Group hug.
Santiago proves a great place to make some more travel arrangements, get a massage, eat some veggies, and relax in our lovely hotel room. Our greatest joy here comes from repeated visits to the piazza, to welcome others we know and to watch many others we don't know make triumphant emotional arrivals. It's incredibly moving to see the tears, laughter, hugs and reunions of exhausted, collapsing pilgrims. We love catching up with our Camino family, but we know we're not yet finished. That's one Camino finished and another begins. As much as arriving in Santiago was a great achievement, we know our personal Camino is not over. Our ultimate goal is to reach the coast, so we have some more days of walking to do on the Muxia Finisterre Camino. Ultrea. Walking today was just magic. None of the commercial trappings that feature at the end of the Francés, incredible nature trails, and the most beautiful town we've seen so far. We finished the day in a warm and welcoming albergue, with a communal dinner to give us a chance to meet the latest Camino crew. We stopped to take a break at the longest oreo in the world. It also turns out to be the equivalent distance of a walk from our home to my parents' house and return, about 836 kilometres. We have a glorious walk, and it's great to see the return of old friends that have been with us throughout the journey, the red poppies and the majestic wind farms. They march like an army across the landscape. We find ourselves saying thank you and goodbye to things as we walk. Goodbye Spanish sky, so wide and cloud-layered. Thank you, green tunnels of trees, who have sheltered us from sun, wind and rain, and bathed us in sweet earthy smells. Goodbye sparrows, nightingales, robins, storks, cuckoos who sound exactly like they do on the cartoons, and all the birds that we cannot name. Thank you for your music. Thank you for your company. Goodbye stone walls with your incredible geometry, your mossy, ferny-filled spaces. Thank you crumbling ruins for evoking thoughts of the hands that rendered you and the eyes that have seen you across time. Goodbye flowers, you bringers of boundless joy. Goodbye to the yellow arrows, the fletchers, and the signs and the Camino shells who've guided us all this way. It's going to be very strange not to see you. Goodbye to the people passing and saying, Buen Camino. It's going to be strange not to say that, and I figure we might take some time to get out of the habit. Goodbye to the cafes, to Dos Cortados, freshly squeezed orange juice, bocadillos, olives, jamon, tortillas. Thank you to the people, the fine people, both the friendly and the gruff and disinterested. Thanks for letting us use your toilets, even the really strangely designed ones, with the light that goes out partway through your visit. Thank you for all of it. Hello, ocean. It's been so very long. You tell us it's time to stop walking. We hold hands and walk to the shore. It's day 42, and 42 is a good number. It's a good answer. We know this is the end of our Camino. Almost 900 kilometres that we've walked together, really together, usually side by side, sometimes talking, often in companionable and comfortable silence. Frequently we've laughed. Less frequently we've whinged or cried. We kissed on every single bridge we crossed. We're doing all right. And it's been a Buen Camino.